Hello, I'm Carla, your millionaire mistress, and welcome back to my channel. To me, there is an inextricable link between as I become wealthier and more successful financially, I have an obligation to help others. So you can either say, as they do in Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility, or you can say simply that you lift as you go. So as you become more successful, you lift and raise other people up as well. So this doesn't have to be a great show. I know people that I've wince when they do it, and they feel that helping others is by spending £1,200 on lunch for a bunch of people they don't know. And I don't mean like catering down the homeless shelter, which I would value. I mean a bunch of randoms they don't know, and that's not wise spending at all. Just random acts of kindness is enough. That might be as simple as, for example, I went to IKEA the other week and I think I bought some shelves or something useful. I happened to park next to a little car that was right by the exit doors. And as I was loading my car, the car next door, the owners came back, and it was a husband and wife and this little girl. She was hilarious. Couldn't talk properly. She was just like this. Ah! And so I turned around and smiled and said, someone's a chatterbox. And the dad said, yeah, we've got it all day, every day. It's a nightmare. But she was a happy little kid. So that was just it. I just tuned in, made a comment. As I was about to drive off, I saw them put their bonnet up. So I rolled down my window and the chap said, oh, I must have left my lights on. I've got a flat battery. We've got a friend coming. In the back of my car, I've got this little jump pack. It's excellent. It's not that expensive. Anyway, literally in less than 5 minutes had their car up and running. You literally plug it in to their battery and press go. They turn the key and the car starts. Him and his wife, they were like, oh, God bless you. Thank you so much. And it felt so elating to be able to help someone, because it was time to just go home, feed the little girl and get her to bed. No one wanted to be sitting around waiting to be rescued in a car park. So for those few seconds of observing my surroundings, it was all a moot point, done in 5 minutes. When I jumped in the car, I just remember thinking, oh, they were so sweet. And that simple act, I didn't even think about it. It was just, I've got the capability, so do it. If you want to accumulate wealth, which can give you influence and power, that influence and power can be used for good and can be used for less good. If you're just competent enough to learn how to manage large sums of money, and when I say manage, you're not physically sitting there like Scrooge McDuck counting millions of pounds every day. You're just making sure money is in the right place at the right time, earning the best return. That's what you're doing. It does require some brain power. So if you've got the competence to do that, then hopefully you've got the competence to do other simple things that can help other people's lives get better. So my question to you today is, when was the last time you just selflessly helped someone because you could? And I don't mean your mate who's a scrounger who's always borrowing 20 quid. That's not going to teach them anything. Someone like those people, I didn't know them. They didn't know me. I happened to park next to them. I happened to comment on their child, and I happened to reverse my car out of the parking space at the millisecond that they happened to put their bonnet up. So I knew there was a problem. It's just a fluke. And sometimes you just think, oh, maybe I was just meant to be here to help them. Who knows? Who can you help? And it might be as simple as helping an old lady carry her bags onto the bus, whatever it is. Are you really capable of thinking past yourself to assist others? Because that's what you're going to need to do. That's just how it works. That's it. That's my lesson for the day. Have a good day.